All right, guys, you've been asking for it. POV time. 2023 Dodge Charger Hellcat Jailbreak. 6.2 liter V8 Hemi, 717 horses, and it is a last call. I got the Petty's Garage strut bar back there. SRT. Hellcat. Wide body Charger. Let's not waste any time. Let's get to it.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser, GPS connected.
Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and safety first. I don't know if you can see it, but we are officially under half a tank, so you know what that means. Time to get gas. So let's take a little trip to get some gas. Let's open her up, real talk. Let's go track mode. Yeah. Let's get that whine real nice. When you put it in track, it is so sensitive. All I hear is whine. All I hear is whine. CarLock is telling me I'm accelerating too much. You're just gonna get used to it in this video. So my SRT settings for my custom mode is full power, track is in transmission, transmission is in track, paddle shifters on, traction, sport, suspension track, steering track, red key, obviously. Yeah, Jesus. Yes, sir. I know that Mustang not trying it. I know this Mustang ain't trying it. I know this Mustang is not trying it. Oh, okay, I was about to say. He just making noise. See, that's the thing about Mustangs. They so loud, you can't tell if they're actually trying you or if they just going 30 miles an hour. See, in this situation, he's just going 30 miles an hour. He just got a loud ass car. So whenever you see me put two hands on the wheel, just know I'm about to do some hard pulling. That's how hard this thing pulls. CarLock is telling me I'm doing too much accelerating. I'm accelerating too hard. Let's see what this whole traction thing from a dig is about. Yep. Yep. You can kiss that goodbye. You can kiss that goodbye. Listen to that whine. Listen to that whine. Traction is not important in this car. I stood on it for all of maybe 2 or 3 seconds, and all I did was literally go sideways, left to right. But at least the tires are warmed up now. So there's a plus side to it. Once again, CarLock is telling me I'm doing too much acceleration. One thing I will say about this car compared to a Scat Pack is the suspension is so stiff. I feel so planted. So planted in this car. I feel 100% planted. When I turn these corners, I mean, it's right there. And then as soon as I get on the gas, sir. So everything is the exact same. I mean, it's a 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen. Let's not act like we're not initiated. Everything's the same. The only difference for this year is that it says jailbreak in red right there. Yeah. Yeah. And these Brembo brakes are sharp, man. They stop you on the dime. They stop you with no hesitation whatsoever, on a dime. Look at that guy in a BMW. I know he gonna rev. What'd I tell you? What did I tell you? That BMW is on slicks in the back, so you might want to show that some respect. Look at the corners. Look at the corners. Look at the corners. And then as soon as you want that power, it's right there. Yeah. Let's hit this corner. Yeah. Break it down, break it down. I've never driven a supercar, like a Lambo or a McLaren or anything of that sort. But I mean, for $88,000, guys, you are getting a lot of car. A lot of car. I feel like Dodge has done something different with the suspension and the overall handling of this car in the last call editions. Like, it's hugging the road. It's a big car. What, we're looking at 4,500 pounds, but it is hugging. It is hugging the road. Hit this corner doing about 65. And then when you need it, there it is. There it is. You know what I'm saying? It's right there. Under your foot at all times is that 700 horsepower, 800 horsepower, 6.2 liter V8 Hemi. It's always there. See what I'm saying? These corners. Oh my God, is that a straight? Let's go. Let's go. You see what I'm saying? Look at these hills. It's eating it. It's eating it. I'm telling you, Dodge did something different with the 23s, man. Or maybe I'm just not used to it. Now, mind you, I'm a Scat Pack owner, a former Scat Pack owner. Listen to the whine. I'm only doing 50 miles an hour and it's there. You know, sometimes you need two hands, sometimes you only need one. That's a reference that, you know, you can use in multiple scenarios. In the car, in the bedroom, you know what I mean? Sometimes you need two hands, sometimes you need one. Is that another straight? Yeah. And then out of nowhere, whine. That's all I hear is whine. In the midst of this video has gone on for about 10-15 minutes. I've killed almost 30 miles of range on this car, just the stuff that you've seen me doing. When I first started this car in the beginning of this video, I was at about 110, 105 as far as my range is concerned. I'm at 75 right now. So hopefully we actually have enough gas to go to make it to the gas station. You hear that? Oh my God, I love that whine. I'm telling you guys, I'm not saying that everybody needs a Hellcat. I'm not saying every Scat Pack owner needs a Hellcat or RT owner needs a Hellcat. But if at some point in your life you get the opportunity to drive one and you can really drive it, like whoever's letting you drive it just kind of sits back in the passenger seat and lets you do what you do, please take that opportunity. I'm telling you, you would not regret it. These cars are fun, just fun. And wait till I get my AWE track exhaust. Oh my God, it's gonna be loud and fun. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do anything now, but I'm telling you, I love these cars. I love this car. Listen, guys, I'm not saying you should get a Hellcat. Get whatever you want, get whatever you can afford. But damn, I love this car. This was a good decision. I love it. I love it. This would not be a Hellcat video without me being at the gas station. You feel me? This is the only gas you need to be putting in this car. V-Power Nitro Plus. But yeah, all in all, get you a Hellcat. You're gonna be here a lot, but I mean, get you a Hellcat because I love this car. I love it. But yeah, you're definitely gonna be at the gas station a lot. Make this your second home. You know what I mean? But get you a Hellcat, man. Let's see how much. I keep dropping my Hellcat like a scat pack. I need to stop letting it get below half the tank.
Hours may vary. We're back at the beach, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina with mini.
Since this thing is talking, I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been your boy Knockout. Peace.